So I've had this table for a few days now, and my God honest review is that it's super sturdy, honestly. Like, this is like very, very solid wood. I'm happy with it. These are just chairs I bought. I'll link those in the description. They're really easy to put together. If you like the chairs, they are pretty dope chairs, I'm gonna be honest. They have like this, like, it's almost like a memory foam in them. They're dope. Anyways, the review is actually about this table, putting it together. The only thing I didn't like was the size of these screws. The screws aren't very big, but overall, solid table. Would definitely recommend. I'll link everything in the description as always. Anyways, I'll show you how I put it together. Hello, Mr. YouTube. No, hey, Furlough, I'm building a table today. Check this shit out. Those are the legs for it. That's the top. It's one of those butcher blocks. Let me flip the camera. It came in this box, and I'm not even kidding. Oh yeah, that's the other box back there. But I'm not even kidding. It was so fucking well packaged. I'm so impressed with all of it. This tabletop is badass. It's super sturdy, thick as fuck. Let me go ahead and get started. The butcher block came in. All I need to do is put the legs on it. This video is going to go very quick. These are the screws. I don't know if I should pre-drill them or not. If I damage that table, I'm going to be pissed. Probably... Let me see how the first one goes, and then I'll tell you if I'm pre-drilling. Anyways, let's get started. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't want anybody saying anything about how dirty my fucking house is. Those are the chairs for my new table. Yeah, house is a fucking mess. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so this is the table. I bought the butcher block for, I think, $300. I got it on sale on Amazon. These, I think I paid $50 total for them. They're supposed to be heavyweight. They're kind of hollow. They have cushions on the bottom so they don't damage your flooring. But I'm going to go get a 90 so I can measure off all three sides and just make sure the table ends up symmetrical. And just go from there. I'm going to mark all my holes. I don't know if I should pre-drill it. If I damage this wood, I'm going to be pissed. So I'm probably going to pre-drill it. Anyways, the screws for the legs are these little bitches. But we're never going to move this table. And it also doesn't weigh a shit ton. Like, I actually moved this in from outside by myself. I mean, I'm strong as shit, by the way. Like, fucking ridiculously strong. But I was actually able to get this inside my house by myself. I don't know if I mentioned this. Everything will be linked in the description so you can check it out for yourself. But for the price of a kitchen table nowadays, it is fucking nuts. And this actually looks really dope. I'm going to go get some drill bits to pre-drill some of these screws. I'll be right back. Oh, yeah, and I'm going to grab a 90. Okay, so I got it all measured out to the way I want it. My chairs are about 20 inches wide, 19 point something. So I just did 20 inches and gave it a couple more inches. So I put about 43 inches between the chairs. It's about 1.5 inches for wiggle room. I know this isn't the biggest table, but I bought 6 chairs so I can put 2 on the ends when I have company over, and then I can fit 2 more on this side. Not the biggest table. I almost wish I would have gotten something a little bigger, but I'm not mad at it, honestly. I'm actually pretty excited about the whole thing. It's probably gonna fit pretty well inside my house. My house isn't huge, but it's nice. Honestly, it really is nice. I'm kind of proud of it. Fuck you guys. Just kidding. But anyways, I got these measured out. I already marked a couple holes. I'm gonna start pre-drilling them. And I'm just gonna make sure I don't go too deep. Anyways, time to get started. And I don't know how I'm gonna flip this over by myself. It's not super heavy. It's pretty light, probably like 600-700 pounds. It's pretty light. But it is kind of awkwardly big. Oh yeah, a quick tip when you're doing like short drill bit things, you can actually put it all the way in there and then just make sure it doesn't go through by lining it up to the edge. I will say with this table though, this one does have like a little nick right here. It's not a big deal, but if you're super anal like I am, it wouldn't hurt to just double check the table. I need to go get a screwdriver. I'm just gonna put these in by hand for right now, just see how it goes. But I will say I'm a little nervous about how well these are gonna hold up. I might end up doing bigger screws after this weekend. We'll see how it goes. Let me go get a screwdriver. There's no reason for me to show you that I'm just gonna drill and tap all these holes. I'll bring you in close. drilling, screw all these screws in. So that's actually what the legs look like. You can see where all the holes are supposed to be. But I'm literally just gonna do that to both sides. And I'll be right back. All right, so I'm on the last screw. This is actually really, really easy to put together. The butcher block, these, they come with a bunch of little screws. And to be honest, I'm not a big fan of these screws at all. I feel like they're cheaply made and they don't go very deep into the wood. They're wood screws and like they're strong enough to hold this on, but I don't know, I just feel like they could have done better with the screws. But overall, I'm really happy with the table and the assembly. It literally took, after measuring and pre-drilling the holes, maybe, I'm gonna say 15, 20 minutes to get it all done. That's with filming and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna flip this bitch over and then let you guys see what it looks like. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. By the way, I just checked the box. They're nothing. I don't know why they give you fucking 5 extra screws. It is what it is. Hopefully this bitch isn't too bad to flip over. I will say it's gonna be a little big and awkward. So that probably won't be fun. I actually put this on a washcloth or a microfiber cloth. Because I figured it's gonna be a bitch to pick it up, pick up the flat table off the bottom. Fuck, I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna do this. Like I said, it's not real heavy, it's just fucking awkwardly big. It's pretty light actually. Like I said, it's just awkwardly big. It's probably 800 pounds, 700 maybe. It's pretty light. I'm actually pretty happy with the table. It's pretty dope. Looks nice in my house. I'm so lucky. Hashtag blessed. Just kidding. Anyways, this table, I'll bring it in closer so you can look at it. Looks like it. Yeah. So it actually looks really nice. I put the chairs on, it looked really nice. I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know if it looks like a kitchen table or a fucking desk. But I like it. Anyways, as always, I'll link everything in the description. I'm out.